Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Hazera. As you are new to this channel, I want to tell you one thing that this channel is created to teach AKNU computer papers briefly according to the syllabus. So let's get started with first semester BSc paper, that is C programming. Before that, let us discuss about some basics of the computer, that what did a computer do to run a program, etc. So this is also a part of our syllabus. So let's get started. Let us first discuss about the general fundamentals of the computer, means what the computer do and where the word computer derived from. So let's focus on the first point. The point is the term computer is derived from the word compute. It means calculations. Okay. We know that the computer is a device. For what purpose the computer is used? In previous days, the computer is used for the only purpose of the calculation. So it is derived from the word compute, which means calculation. So here we are discussing that computer is a device which is used to perform calculations. Okay, moving forward, the computer is an electronic device that takes data and instructions as input from the user and then process data and provide useful information, which is known as output. Here we are telling that the computer is an electronic device because we use computer via plugging into the circuit now. So that's why we are telling that the computer is an electronic device. What does the computer do? It takes an input from the user, means we are the users, we gives it some input and then it process it and means it works on it and then it gives some output in the form of some code or etc. So what does the computer do? It takes an input and process it and gives an output. So it is this whole cycle is known as input process output cycle. Here we explain by giving some block diagram. Okay, and one more thing we have to discuss is the electronic device is known as hardware. Means hardware means the things which can we touch, feel, etc. In computer, the monitor, mouse, printer, these all are the hardware things, means we can touch and feel it. And the set of instructions is known as software, means in which the input processes, the whole process is going depends upon the software, means the set of instructions which you are giving to the computer is known as software. Okay, let's discuss about the components of the computer. Means what that the components is nothing but the parts. Okay, what are the parts that we are observing in the computer? A computer consists of various components that function as an integrated system to perform computational tasks. To give an output, all the components are integratedly performing some tasks. So this is called by via this only they can give us in output. So this is called perform computational task. The components of computer are central processing unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Okay, let's discuss about the single component of a computer briefly. So first we are going to discuss about the CPU, central processing unit. As in the name, it processes the every data. It is treated as a central unit to process the data. Okay, it is the brain of the computer that is responsible for controlling and executing programs. As in humans, brain is very important. Without brain, we can't do anything. As like it in computer also, CPU is a brain of the computer which is used to execute and perform each and every program. By using CPU only we can perform every program and execute it. Without the CPU, the computer is just like a body without brain. Moving forward, monitor, it is a display screen which shows information in the vision form. As we are giving the input or we are taking the output, we can see on the monitor. It is used as a display screen to the users. Keyboard and mouse, these are the peripheral devices used by the computer for receiving inputs from the user. Keyboard and mouse are the devices which are used to giving input to the computer. Okay, by using the keyboard and mouse only we are giving input to the computer. In the below we discuss a computer diagram. So in this we are discussing the parts of the computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. In this video we just discuss about the general fundamentals of the computer, that what is a computer, what are the components of the computer, what is hardware, what is software. So this is enough for this video. In another video we are discussing about a very important short, that is what are the characteristics of the computer. So thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video, if you like and subscribe.